Callie and Jordan Squad, and today I'm going to be opening up a Pikmi pop.
Whoa, where is it? There's the Pikmi pop.
And
what else do we got?
Kitty in my pocket.
Kitty in my pocket, season 5 collectible figure. Turn it around. Let's see what kitties we can get.
This is my first one that I'm ever going to get.
This is the very first one that she's ever got.
Jordan, don't open that.
So, what cat would you want there, Callie?
Let me look. They're all so cute. I want all of them.
But I don't think you'll get all of them in the package.
Yeah.
Can I see the back again?
Yep.
Alright, so there it is. Series 5. You can go to... They have a YouTube channel. I think they do little skits or whatever. And, alright, collect them all. Alright, which one do you want to start off with, Callie?
The Pikmi pop.
Alright, so this one, there's 45 to collect.
Yeah.
It comes with plush.
Yeah.
And
then,
smell
like
it.
message.
Smell it and see what it smells like.
It doesn't smell like anything.
You don't think so? Can I see?
It doesn't smell like anything.
It smells like chocolate to me.
What?
Give it a smell, Jordan.
Wait. Oh, yeah, it does smell like chocolate. I thought you meant like smell the package.
Oh, no, yeah, smell the package.
I thought you smell the packaging, and I was like, okay.
No, smell on top.
Yeah. It does smell like chocolate.
All right.
I got, from the Easter Bunny last year, I got, a stuffy that, is brown, and it's a bunny, and it smells like chocolate.
It sure did. Smell like chocolate.
And it still does, and it's from, like, last year.
Wow, that's an impressive chocolate.
Yeah.
I'd want to eat it.
You want to eat a stuffed animal?
If it smells like chocolate.
Well, now I might have two if this smells like chocolate.
You might. Let's see how long it takes you to open it.
Yeah.
I think last time it took 25 minutes.
No! Last time... This time it took me 2 seconds.
Look at that. All
So
right.
I got this.
Yep. So
stand.
you could put it together like
I'm
that.
not gonna look at this yet.
Now you've already got one before. What was the first one? What did you get the first one?
The apple.
Oh, it smelled like grape, right?
Yeah, the apple smell like grape. I think I'm getting a chocolate.
All right, let's.
I can just open this.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute.
It looks like a Dalmatian puppy. Is it a Dalmatian?
Yeah, it's a Dalmatian.
Why are you smelling him?
Because he smells. See?
So here's a.
He smells like.
I think it's a Dalmatian, maybe a zebra. Oh,
What does this smell like? Nothing.
like thanks, Jordan.
I'm gonna see what the smell is.
All right, let's see which one you got.
It's a Dalmatian. No Dalmatian. No Dalmatian. No Dalmatian. No Dalmatian. No Dalmatian.
Maybe it's not in the package. Maybe it's not in the checklist. No.
Oh, that's the one that I got last time, and it's great.
Is that?
Yeah, that's the one, and it smells like chocolate.
That's the one?
Yeah. Hey, Jordan.
Toggy?
Doggy. Instead of doggy, it's Toggy.
And what is it? Is it common?
Fun.
Is it common?
What's brown? I don't know.
Turn it over.
Wait, it's on this side. Oh, wait. Chocolate. And
It was a common.
yes. And the secret message says, "You're a total pop star."
You're a total pop star. Can I see it?
Yeah.
You're a total pop star.
I need to put this back.
All right. So Callie has 2 of them now.
Yay.
And here's the. So it is common. We'd like to get one of those ultra rares. Maybe next time.
Yeah.
Hey?
What's my great one?
I think the grape one was common as well.
Yeah. It was common.
Oh, was it common or rare?
It was common.
Was it
Or
common?
No, it was common.
Yes, it was common.
Okay, now it's time to open Kitty in my pocket.
All right, so you have to pick one cat before you open it.
I can't.
Which one do you
There's
think?
too
Which one?
many.
Which one?
Which one do I think, or which one?
Which one do you
I
think?
want?
Which one do you think?
Maybe. This one, or this one.
Okay, which one do you want?
Which one do I want?
Yeah.
I want all.
Don't ask that.
All right, let's see which one Callie gets. Kitty in my pocket. What's that? Is that another checklist?
Yeah. And I guess he's like total rare. Oh my god! He's so cute.
Do they have names? So yeah, they do have names.
Oh my gosh! Look, she has a little tiara on a little necklace.
It's like a Sophia the First cat.
Yeah. What's Sophia? Oh, Sophia.
Sophia the First. Want to check that out, Jordan? See which one we got?
Or like Ariel. Except it's not red. Ariel's cat. Here, can I see that?
Who's that?
It's not that one. It doesn't have the.
It's
It's not that one. It doesn't have the tiara.
has a tiara on it.
Yeah. That one has.
So it looks like we can get Maggie, Charlie, Xena, Sabby, DJ Scratchy, Ebony, Willow, Ace, Trixie, a Duchess, which is a white cat, Lulu, and Merlin.
Now I know which one I want to get.
And which one did you get?
I got this one.
Duchess.
And I want this one though. I want Willow.
Which one do you want?
I want Willow. Now that I see him, I want Willow.
You want Willow?
He's so cute.
All
He
right.
has a little witch hat.
So we got a dog and a cat today. Callie's 2 favorite animals.
Yeah.
She loves dogs, she loves cats.
And also, I love another animal.
Skunks?
No. Not that one.
A snake?
No.
Oh, what?
I can't remember the name
Oh,
of it right now, but I know. Oh, white tiger.
Oh yeah.
White tiger.
Yeah, because we're always going to have a white tiger in the house.
No.
All right, here they are. We've got Duchess. And what was his name again? Puppy?
No. Puppy. It's something with the T.
Ah.
Let me check.
No, wasn't it? It was just,
Can
I see?
It's Toggy.
Oh, Toggy. Oh, yeah,
Toggy.
Toggy the dog.
Toggy.
Yes.
Toggy the puppy.
Oh, my gosh.
Toggy the puppy. It's a puppy. It's a puppy.
All right. So remember to subscribe to Jordan and Callie's channel. What's the channel called again? What am I changing it to?
Pardon?
What do I change the channel to?
Jordan and Callie squad.
Well, the Callie and Jordan squad.
Callie and Jordan squad.
Yes. Nice hair.
Oh, he got the phone. He got the phone, but it's not his phone, it's her dad's.
No, that's my phone.
Yeah.
Why does he have my phone?
Because he's
I found
Oh. All right. Remember to subscribe.
I just
Hit that bell button. Yes.
That one looks like this one.
Oh, it is. Oh, yeah, it has to be. Yeah, it's Tiffany.
Yeah, and also there's none. The pink one's not on here.
But it's not pink. Can I say it for a second?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Oh, that's
Like
the
the
ultra. Oh,
same.
find the ultra rare kitty. That's
Oh.
Tiffany. Yeah, no.
Can we get like a bunch of these and like open these?
Yeah.
And then see if I
I should
can
probably
get it.
hold the camera straight instead of looking at the thing. Yeah, we'll get more of these. I found these at Walmart, so we'll get more. All right. So remember to subscribe to their channel. Hit that bell button. Comment down below which one was your favorite. Do you like cats? Do you like dogs?
Or do you like both?
Or do you like both? And what kind is your favorite dog?
Yes.
What kind is your favorite dog?
I don't know what they're called. But
Just like the white tiger?
One is a Dalmatian.
Yeah.
And then I don't know what the other one's called, but it's like it stays like really small. It's like this small.
Oh.
Like not that small, but like this small.
Okay.
Small.
What's your favorite dog?
I don't know.
You don't know. All right. I'll show you.
He doesn't like animals.
I'll show you my favorite dog. Right there. Black Lab.
My favorite cat's over here.
And Callie just left.
My favorite cat's right there. She's sleeping.
There's a white cat.
That's my favorite cat.
There she is. She's sleeping. All right. So until next time, guys.
Bye!